Hey, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab. Today we've got our 2017 to current 6.7 Powerstroke Coolant Pipe Upgrade Kit. So let's get into the details of our 6.7 coolant pipe upgrade. The factory coolant hose on these trucks, of course, is just a rubber hose. At the connection to the thermostat housing, we've got a plastic injection molded elbow that connects to a long rubber hose and again connects at the radiator with another plastic injection molded part. So what we've done is eliminate all the rubber and plastic components and replace them with high quality billet aluminum, double O-ring seals, and nice 14 gauge mandrel bent aluminum pipe with silicone boots and stainless steel T-bolt clamps. It's a nice, good looking upgrade, not going to add any horsepower or torque or improve fuel economy, but it sure does complete the underhood look on your truck. At the connection to the thermostat housing on the truck, which is a plastic component that we will have a billet aluminum upgrade for available very soon, we've got our CNC machined billet aluminum slip ring flange. This uses a double O-ring seal as well as a supplied new wire retaining clip to hold that assembly to the factory thermostat housing. Got a welded on 2-inch diameter elbow which points towards the radiator and allows us to connect to our upper coolant pipe. Our 2-inch diameter aluminum upper coolant pipe connected on either end by way of our silicone high quality 5-ply boots and stainless steel T-bolt clamps. And then at the connection to the radiator, we have our nice billet aluminum black anodized adapter fitting. Just like the connection to the thermostat housing, we use a double O-ring seal for a good quality leak-free fitment. And again, we supply a new wire retaining clip to keep that aluminum flange in place. So what would a coolant pipe be without nice powder coat finish? Since this thing doesn't add any horsepower, we of course need it to look nice, right? So, like all other WCFab product, we powder coat here in-house in our state-of-the-art powder coat facility. This color shown in front of us here is our popular WCFab Red. If you're looking to get a kit quickly, WCFab Red, Gray, Gloss Black, and Gloss White are in-stock colors that are available quick to ship. If you're willing to wait a little bit longer, you can choose pretty much any color under the sun and we can coat it for you to give you that custom build under the hood of your 6.7 Powerstroke. So that's a wrap on our upper coolant pipe upgrade for the 17 to current 6.7 Powerstroke. If you've got any questions about other Powerstroke product that we have to offer, or if you want to leave some comments about things you might want us to offer, feel free to drop them below or reach out to our sales team. Thanks a lot for watching.